Dear students, good morning. Let me see exercise 5.2 10th sum. Show that the given points form a parallelogram. So now this is the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. What is the condition of parallelogram? Properties of parallelogram. AB is parallel to CD and also AD is parallel to BC. We know AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. So we know if the two lines are parallel means that slope must be equal. So we have to be find out slope of AB and CD. If we got same value, we can be say AB is parallel to CD. Then we have to be find out slope of AD and BC. If we got same value, we can be say AD is parallel to BC. Then finally we can be say ABCD form a parallelogram. We will find out one by one. First, slope of AB. Slope of AB. Before that, we will write the slope formula because they have given the point. So, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now, what is the point of A? 2.5 comma 3.5. Then, point of B is 10 comma minus 4. Then, point of C is 2.5 comma minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. Then, point of D is minus 5 comma 5. Now we are going to find out first slope of AB. So in AB this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. If we substitute y2 value, that is minus 4. So minus 4 and y1 value is 3.5. So 3.5 divided by x2 minus x1. So 10 minus 2.5. Same sign, so we can be add. So 4 plus 3.5 is 7.5. Put the same sign by 10 minus 2 and half. 7.5, 7 and half. We can be cancelled. So we will get minus 1. Now slope of AB value is minus 1. Then next we have to be find out slope of BC. Slope of BC. We will consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now y2 minus y1. So now y2 value is minus 2.5 minus this minus, then y1 value is minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1. Now x2 value is 2.5. So 2.5 minus x1 value is 10. y2 minus y1. So y2 value is minus 2.5 and y1 value is minus 4. Then x2 minus x1. x2 value is plus 2.5, then x1 value is 10. Then this formula minus. Now minus of minus plus. So minus 2.5 plus 4 divided by 2.5 minus 10. 10 minus 2 and half, 7 and half. So 7.5, greater number sign is minus. We know 4 minus 2.5. So 4 minus 2.5 is 1.5. So 1.5. 4 minus 2.5. We can subtract like this. 0.0. Then get borrow. We will get 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 3 will be there. So 3 minus 2. 1. So 1.5. 1.5 divided by minus 7.5. So if you want to remove this decimal, we can be multiplied by 10 both numerator and denominator. So we will get 15 divided by 75. This minus. We can be cancelled by 15 table or 5 table or 3 table. So this is 1 time and here 5 times. So now minus 1 by 5. This is slope of BC. Now we got slope of AB is minus 1 and slope of BC is minus 1 by 5. Then next we want to be find out slope of AD. Slope of CD. Then AD. So the same y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now we will consider this is x1 y1. C is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So now y2 value is 5. So 5 minus y1 value is minus 2.5 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 value is minus 5 and x1 value is 2.5 minus 2.5. This minus. Minus of minus plus. So 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. Now here same sign, so we can be add. So minus 5 and minus 2.5. So we will get minus 7.5. So write minus 7.5. One time. So we will get minus 1. Then at last, slope of AD. The same formula only, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we will consider A is x1, y1, D is x2, y2. So y2 value is 5 minus y1 value is 3.5 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 2.5. So now 5 minus 3.5 is plus 1.5 divided by, here same sign, so we can be add. We will get 1.5 divided by minus 7.5. Then we should multiply by 10 to remove the decimal. So we will get 15 by minus 75. 1 time, this is 5 times. So minus 1 by 5. Now AB slope we got minus 1. BC slope minus 1 by 5. And CD slope also we got minus 1. Now AD slope is minus 1 by 5. So finally we can conclude slope of AB equal to slope of CD, because both values are minus 1. And then next, slope of BC equal to slope of AB, because both values are minus 1 by 5, and here also we got minus 1 by 5. So now opposite side slopes are equal. So we can be say AB is parallel to CD, then BC is parallel to AD. So we can write ABCD form a parallelogram. The points. So the points A, B, C and D form a parallelogram. See 11th sum. If the points A 2, 2, B minus 2, minus 3, C 1, minus 3 and D x, y form a parallelogram, then find the value of x and y. So let me draw the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Now point of A is 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 3. Then 1, minus 3. D is now x, y. We know that the diagonal midpoints are equal. In parallelogram, that midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. We can use the concept. Midpoint of AD. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Right? Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Before that, we will write midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. We can be equate both midpoints. So now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So now we are going to find out first midpoint of AC, x1 plus x2 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to, now midpoint of BD. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now x1 value is minus 2 plus x by 2, y1 value is minus 3 and y2 value is y. So minus 3 plus y by 2. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. Now minus 2 plus x by 2, minus 3 plus y by 2. See here, we can be equate x coordinate and y coordinate. Then finally we can be find out x and y value. So write equating x and y coordinate. So now we will compare x coordinate. 3 by 2 equal to minus 2 plus x by 2. 2 cancelled. So now we can bring this minus 2 here. So 3 plus 2 equal to x. So now x equal to 5. Now we got x value. Next we are going to compare y coordinate. So minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 3 plus y by 2. 2 get cancelled. So now minus 3 we can bring here. So minus 1 plus 3 equal to y. So now y equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So the point of D is now x comma y. So that is equal to D of 5 comma 2. See 13th sum. A quadrilateral has vertices A minus 4 comma minus 2, B 5 comma minus 1, C 6 comma 5, D minus 7 comma 6. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. So now ABCD is quadrilateral. Note down the points. Then note down the midpoints. That now AB midpoint is P. Then BC midpoint is Q. CD midpoint is now R. AD midpoint is S. If you are joining the midpoints, we should get parallelogram. So how we can prove this is the parallelogram? Opposite side slopes must be equal. So before that, we should find out PQ or S. So by using the midpoint formula, we can find out P, Q, R and S, because AB midpoint is P. Then BC midpoint is Q. CD midpoint is R. Then DA midpoint is S. After finding the midpoint, we have to find out all four sides slope. Then finally, if we get opposite slopes equal, means we can say PQRS form a parallelogram. So first we have to find out midpoint of all four sides. So now midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Let me find out midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. So now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So write x1 value is minus 4 and x2 value is 5. So minus 4 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 by 2, minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 3 by 2. Now we got midpoint of AB. And then next midpoint of BC. That is, this is P now and Q. Midpoint of BC is Q. So now B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. So 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Minus 1 plus 5 by 2. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 by 2 comma 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 divided by 2. Now we got midpoint of BC. Then next we want to find out midpoint of CD. Midpoint of CD, that is R. So midpoint of CD, we will consider this is x1 y1 and D we will consider x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. So 6 minus 7 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 comma 6 plus 5 is 11 by 2. Now we want to find out midpoint of AD. Now first midpoint of AB we got 1 by 2. So we can write here 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So next midpoint of BCQ, that is 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Then next midpoint of CD is R, that is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Next we want to find out midpoint of AD. Now midpoint of AD. So midpoint of AD we will consider x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. First x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 4 plus minus 7 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So minus 4 minus 7 value is minus 11 by 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 by 2. Now we got S, that is minus 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Now we got all 4 points. Next we are going to find out slope of PQ, then QR, then RS, then SP. Now slope formula we know y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now we have to prove this is the parallelogram P, Q, R, S. Now P point 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Now Q is 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Then R is minus 1 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Then S is 11 by minus 11 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Now slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. So now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So now y2 minus y1. Now y2 value is 4 by 2 minus y1 value is minus 3 by 2 divided by x2 minus x1. So 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now minus of minus is plus. So denominators are same. We can add the numerator. So 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2 by denominators are same. We can subtract the numerator now because minus is there. So 11 minus 1 is 10 by 2. Now we can take reciprocal. So 7 by 2 into 2 by 10. 2 get cancelled. So now answer is 7 by 10. So now we got slope of PQ is 7 by 10. We got slope of PQ is 7 by 10. Next we want to find out slope of QR. Slope of QR. So Q is x1 y1 now and this is x2 y2. Substitute here. y2 value is 11 by 2. y1 value is 4 by 2. So 11 by 2 minus 4 by 2 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 value is minus 1 by 2. x1 value is minus 11 by 2. Now denominator same. So 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 by 2 divided by same denominator. So by 2 same sign we can be add. So minus 12 by 2. Take reciprocal. So 7 by 2 into 2 by minus 12. 2 cancel. So now minus 7 by 12. So now we got slope of QR is minus 7 by 12. Next we have to find out slope of RS. Slope of RS. Now R is x1 y1 and S is x2 y2. Now y2 value is 4 by 2. y1 value is 7 by 2. So 4 by 2 minus 11 by 2 by x2 minus x1. x2 value is minus 11 by 2. x1 value is minus 1 by 2. Minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 11 is minus 7. So minus 7 by 2 divided by minus 11 plus 1. Minus 11 plus 1. We will get minus 10. So write minus 10 by 2. Minus minus cancel. Take reciprocal. 7 by 2 into 2 by 10. 2 cancel. So now slope of RS is 7 by 10. Slope of RS is 7 by 10. We got same value PQ and RS. And then next finally we want to find out slope of PS. x1 y1 x2 y2. So now y2 minus y1. So 4 by 2 minus of 3 by 2. 4 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 2 by x2 minus x1. x2 value is minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now denominator same. Minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2 divided by minus 11 minus 1 is minus 12. So minus 12 by 2. Take reciprocal. So 7 by 12 into 2 by 7 by 2 into 2 by minus 12. 2 cancel. So now slope is minus 7 by 12. So we can be write slope of PQ equal to slope of RS. Slope of RS. In the same way, slope of QR equal to slope of PS. Slope of PS. So we can be say PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. So finally we can be conclude PQRS form a parallelogram. PQRS. Now PQRS is the midpoints of the quadrilateral. So PQRS form a parallelogram. See, this is exercise 5.2 12th sum. 4 points are given here. We have to prove that this 4 points form a trapezium. So you have to find out AB slope, BC slope, then CD slope, then AD slope. One pair of opposite sides will be equal. So AB we will get like this. A, B, C, D. So AB will be equal to AB slope will be equal to CD slope, and these two should be non-parallel. AD is non-parallel to BC. So we will get these two slopes will be different. AB slope will be equal to CD slope. So we can be say ABCD form a trapezium. Then see, this is exercise 5.2 9th second sum. Show that given points form a right angle triangle. Check whether they satisfies Pythagoras theorem. So already we done the same problem in the first division. You can see that. Then next, show that the points minus 2, 5, 6, minus 1 and 2, 2 are collinear. So you consider this is ABC. Then find out AB slope and BC slope. If it is equal, we can be say 3 points are collinear. Thank you.